Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have a real game changer for you. The Peerless 0232-805 AutoTrac Light Truck SUV Tire Traction Chain. If you're looking for the best tire chains out there, you've come to the right place. Now, let's dive right into why these tire chains are making waves. The Peerless stands out for a few fantastic reasons. First and foremost, it's designed for both light trucks and SUVs, offering versatility that's hard to beat. These chains are built to handle tough conditions with ease. What sets these chains apart is their worry-free self-tightening ratchets. They provide automatic tightening and centering as you drive, eliminating the need for manual adjustments and ensuring a secure fit at all times. That's convenience and peace of mind rolled into one. Installation and removal are a breeze, taking just minutes to complete. You won't need to jack up your vehicle or struggle with complicated setups. These chains are all about simplicity. Now, it's crucial to note that these chains are Class S clearance certified, even in light truck sizes. That means you can trust them to meet the highest standards for safety and performance. One of the standout features is the diamond pattern cross chain. It not only provides a smoother ride but also offers superior traction. Whether you're dealing with icy roads or heavy snow, these chains will keep you moving forward. But that's not all. The Peerless is made from manganese alloy steel, making it both durable and lightweight. This design reduces fly-off during operation and increases gripping points for enhanced performance. The package includes clear, illustrated step-by-step installation and removal instructions, plastic waterproof gloves, and a storage bag. Everything you need to make your life easier during those challenging winter conditions. And if you're looking to enhance your setup, there are options to add tighteners and tensioners for an even more secure fit. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at what some users have to say about these chains. As you can see, many satisfied customers have praised the ease of installation and the impressive performance of these chains. So, there you have it, folks. The Peerless AutoTrac Light Truck SUV Tire Traction Chain. It's the best tire chain you can get for your vehicle. With its self-tightening ratchets, easy installation, and superior traction, you'll be ready to conquer the winter roads. If you want to ensure your safety and mobility during the snowy season, don't miss out on these fantastic tire chains. Check the description below for more details and a link to purchase them. That's all for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert product reviews. Stay safe on the roads, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.